The Mazda CX-7 key fob from 2006 to 2012 can be opened using a simple method. Start by locating the small release tab on the side or bottom of the fob. Use a small flathead screwdriver or even your fingernail to gently press this tab. Pressing the release tab will disengage the internal latches that hold the fob together. Once the release tab is pressed, carefully split the case into two halves. The case is held together by plastic clips and a rubber gasket. Use a plastic opening tool or a guitar pick to gently pry apart the halves, avoiding damage to the ABS plastic casing. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could break the clips or the release tab. A broken release tab may require a case replacement, costing around $50 on sites like eBay. Misalignment during reassembly can cause button sticking or fob malfunction, so ensure proper alignment when closing. After splitting the case, you'll see the CR2032 battery inside. The battery sits in a holder with the positive plus side facing up. Remove the old battery and inspect the contacts for corrosion. If corroded, clean them with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol at 70% concentration. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring correct polarity. When reassembling the fob, make sure the rubber gasket is properly seated to maintain water resistance. Static discharge can damage the fob's circuit board, so it's a good idea to ground yourself before handling the circuit board. Replacement batteries and tools cost under $10 at stores like Amazon or Harbor Freight. If you're not comfortable with DIY repairs, a professional replacement at a dealership can cost $100 to $200. Regularly cleaning the battery contacts and ensuring proper alignment during reassembly can extend the life of your key fob.